Judge Torres has weighed in on Jay-Z versus Tony Buzbee, and it is an overall win for Tony Buzbee. She is saying the plaintiff does not have to identify herself at this stage, and she also called out Alex Spiro's tactics against Tony Buzbee, and point blank said the court is not going to fast-track the judicial process merely because counsel demands it. That's Alex Spiro she's talking about there. This all came down today, Wednesday, December 26th, in Judge Torres' 5-page order in the lawsuit that Tony Buzbee filed against Diddy and Jay-Z that alleges they both raped a 13-year-old girl at an after party for the VMA Awards back in 2000. Now, Judge Torres went through her reasons for allowing the plaintiff to proceed anonymously and said that it tips in her favor, though she did say that she could revisit this later on. Judge Torres actually calls out Alex Spiro and says that his litany of letters and motions attempts to impugn the character of Tony Buzbee. Now, Judge Torres actually calls Alex Spiro's tactics inappropriate, says that he has a litany of motions containing ad hominem attacks against Tony Buzbee. She doesn't think it's appropriate, and she also says she doesn't think it's going to help his client, who is of course Jay-Z. Again, this was just filed today. I'll have an article summing everything up on my website, legalaffairsandtrials.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.